Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how you can practice your English on the website called englishpage.com. So, for this website, as I already said, you do not need your account or you do not need to sign in. You can go ahead and watch the three videos linked in my description, which are part 1, 2, and 3. So, let's get started. So, first up, you're gonna search englishpage.com. So, now you're gonna click on enter. So it will take you to this website. So in the last video, I explained you how you can use verb tenses and your prepositions and your whom/whose and articles. So in this video, I'll be explaining how you can use modal verbs. So first, you're going to click on modal verbs. So now it's going to give you examples. Modal verb exercise: can, could, have to, must, might, and should. So before this, you can read the tutorial on this, and then after that you can take the exercise or you can take your final test. So over here it will give you a brief summary of what are modal verbs. Modal verbs are special verbs which behave very differently from normal verbs. Here are some important differences. Modal verbs do not take the -s in the third person. Examples: he can speak Chinese. She should not be here by 9 o'clock. You use not to make modal verbs negative, even in simple present and simple past. So it's going to give you the definition of modal verbs, and it's also going to give you examples, and it's going to give you scenarios where those examples cannot really, work properly. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on modal verb exercise number 1. So now you'll be taken over here to your exercise page. So it says complete the sentences using the words listed below in the box. Then click check button to check your answers. Don't forget to capitalize when necessary. Some gaps may have more than one correct answer. So it means that for some answers you can also use can, and you can also use have to or any other verb. So for the first question, it says Ted's flight is from Amsterdam, took more than 11 hours. He be exhausted. He can be exhausted. He must be exhausted. He should be exhausted. He might be exhausted. So you might have noticed here it says you can also use he must be exhausted, or he might be exhausted, or even he could be exhausted. So this is what they were saying, that more than one correct answer can be used. So now I'm gonna be doing all of these questions. So after you're done with all of the questions, you're gonna click on check or submit depending on the device you are on, and it will give you your score. So if you have some answers wrong, then it will leave it open like this. So it shows over here, it shows over here, it shows over here, it shows over here. So all of the correct answers which you have got, they will be highlighted in the bold, not highlighted, they will be written as bold, so that you know that you have done this and this is right, and your wrong answers will be wrong. So you're gonna have to do it again. Okay, so now when you're done with all of your answers, you will click on check again. So now, because you had already gotten the score wrong and this is your second or third attempt, that's why your score will be below 100%. That's why you can redo this whole thing again, and then later you can get 100% again. So thank you, and I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. So let me know in the comments if I should continue this series or not.